This presentation is about the technicalities of producing the poster for the poster exercise of the Education Enquiry module. The requirement for the poster is that it is A1 size, that is 841mm by 594mm, which is the same size as the flip chart paper available in many of the classrooms around the various Brighton campuses. I suggest you take a piece of flip chart paper or two and start thinking about how you might present your poster. To start with, I suggest you have separate sections for your context, abstract, research questions, findings, conclusions and recommendations. Don't forget a list of your references, of course. You may end up with multiple boxes for some of these sections, and you may find yourself merging others eventually. I should emphasise that this is a suggestion, but I think it's probably a good place to start if you have not produced an academic poster before. Don't forget to allocate a space for any graphs, tables or pictures you have chosen. The only two technical requirements of the Education Enquiry poster are that the poster should be printed in A1 and displayed at the end of the module session, and that an electronic version must be produced in PDF format. Therefore, how you produce your poster on the computer is up to you, and your poster can be in portrait or landscape format. Details of how to submit these will be made available in a message from the module leader. You could use a specialist design software such as InDesign, and some participants who produce scientific or mathematical posters sometimes use LaTeX. If you have never made a poster on the computer before, then the simplest approach is probably to use a PowerPoint poster template. You can find details of how to change the size of your PowerPoint here, and you can also download A1 templates at various websites online. It is important to check that your PowerPoint slide is set to A1 before you begin. There will be serious issues with print and graphic quality if you start with an ordinary size PowerPoint slide, then try to enlarge it for printing. In Brighton, you can get your A1 poster printed at the Reprographics Centre in the Cockcroft building at Mulscombe campus. Elsewhere, there may be facilities in your partner college, or you should be able to find a commercial service to print your poster. Whatever option you take, contact the printer well in advance to make sure that you are aware of the lead times. You don't want to be in a position where you cannot print your poster because you have not given the printer sufficient notice of your requirements. Please note it is your responsibility to make sure that your poster is printed out and displayed in the poster workshop. You must also submit an electronic copy of your poster in PDF format, and we will advise you on how to do this.